If you're tired of fighting against bots and feeling like the odds are stacked against you every time you try and cop those hype sneakers, then you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into how to cop those hype sneakers without relying on a bot. We've all been there, right? The frustration of seeing out of stock messages or the dreaded sold out sign right before your eyes. Not to worry, because in this video, we're sharing some of the tried and true strategies to help you secure those coveted sneakers the old-fashioned way with skill, patience, and a bit of insider knowledge. We know that the sneaker game can be tough, but we're here to level out the playing field and give you the tools you need to cop the sneakers. So if you're ready to step up your sneaker game and learn how to cop sneakers the right way, hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. This video will be broken down into two parts: copying on a computer and copying on mobile. First, we're going to be covering how releases work so you can get a deeper understanding. Then we'll be moving on to the tools and tactics for success. Most sneaker retailers host their website on a platform called Shopify. It's one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the world, so you'll be learning how you can check out as fast as possible to maximize your chances of copying a sneaker. Shopify releases are first come first serve, and they happen really fast. It's tough to buy their products before they sell out. Shopify has a tool to stop bots from buying stuff too quickly, but people have found workarounds. But don't worry, you can still have a chance to get what you want. A typical release on Shopify goes like this. It's a race. You need to be really quick to add the shoe to cart and pay before they're sold out. They put captchas and questions to slow down the bots, but it also slows down regular people like you. On certain releases, there will be a queue or a line you'll have to wait in before you can finally check out. Once you're through the queue, you can enter your credit card details and check out. So here's how you can skip the queue. Usually 2 minutes before the drop, the queue will go live. And this is how you can skip it. So head on to your desired sneaker retailer and add any item to cart. We're going to be adding this hoodie as an example. We're going to head over to the checkout page, and once we're on this page, we're going to go to settings, bookmarks, and bookmark this tab. You're going to want to make sure your bookmark bar is visible, just like this. If the bookmark doesn't show up, you might have to open up the folder and drag it out like this. Now go back to your cart and remove the item. So when it's release time, you're going to quickly click on the shoe that you want, add the size to cart, click checkout, and usually once you click checkout, you're going to have to solve a captcha, and once you solve the captcha, you're going to be sent into the queue. To bypass the queue, you're going to quickly tap on your bookmark, and now you're going to be sent directly to checkout, skipping the queue, so you can enter your information right away. So when a sneaker releases, it usually appears in the new arrivals section of the website. You can either refresh the page and try and add the item to cart from there, or alternatively, if you're in a cook group like TheNorthCop, you'll get access to monitors that are constantly checking the site for the shoe, so once it drops, it'll show up in the monitor. To increase your chances of copying, having a tool like a monitor can help you find the product faster than someone manually trying to find the shoe on the site. Next, we'll be covering tools to help you fill out your information at checkout faster. One of the quickest ways is to use ShopPay. At checkout, you'll see a ShopPay button, and what it does is it skips manually having to add your credit card information, shipping address, and other info. So to set this up, download the ShopPay app and go to the settings. Once you're in the settings, add your shipping address and credit card details. Next, go back to any Shopify sneaker site and add a random item to cart. Now go to checkout and you'll see the ShopPay button. You'll have to enter your email and verify your phone number, but you'll only have to do this once. Now you have ShopPay set up. Another tool you can use is Google Chrome's Autofill feature. You can set this up by going into the settings, go to Autofill and passwords, then add your address and credit card info. Now when you're checking out, Google will automatically fill out your info, saving you tons of time. Next, we'll be covering how you can cop sneakers off Shopify on mobile. It works similarly to copying on a PC. You can use a monitor to quickly find the sneaker, then use ShopPay to check out. Alternatively, you can use Apple Pay or Google Pay to check out as well. Finally, let's cover some tools you can use on mobile to check out faster. First is setting up autofill on your browser. Whether you're using Safari or Chrome on your mobile, you can have autofill set up on both. For Safari, go into your Apple settings, Then find Safari and tap on Autofill. Then enter your details and you're good to go. We just covered how to cop sneakers on Shopify. Next, we'll be covering how to cop on Nike sneakers. Nike sneakers is a raffle-based platform. There are two main release methods, Leo and Dan. Leo means let everyone order. It is a release method that favors speed. However, this is still a mini raffle. You have about 2 to 3 minutes to enter your account info to the draw, and you will receive your results in the next few minutes. The quicker you enter, the higher your chances are of winning. Now for the second release method, Dan. Dan is a release method that is a 15-minute raffle, so speed does not matter. This is when you want to try to enter as many accounts as possible. But keep in mind, every account needs to have a unique IP, a unique credit card, and address. So now let's cover how you can enter Nike sneakers manually, and it's pretty straightforward. Log into the website in advance. Typically at 6 a.m. EST, sizes will appear under the Coming Soon button. Select your size, complete the payment form, and now you're entered. In a few minutes, you'll see if you won or not. To increase your chances, ask your friends and family to sign up for a Nike sneakers account. Each account needs a unique phone number and address, and also a credit card, so make sure there's no repeated information. On drop day, you can have multiple entries by using the data on your phone so you can have a different IP. And that's it. We covered how to cop sneakers manually on a computer and mobile on both Shopify and Nike sneakers. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. If you need additional support on copying sneakers, check out the link in the description. And that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.